Welcome to Interior Simplified. In this video, we will discuss the design of a new project, located at ATS One Hamlet, Sector 104, Noida. We will be sharing the design of entryway, living room and dining room. This is a renovation project in which we have given a complete makeover to the home. Taking you to the entryway, we have given an elegant, high-gloss polished door that greets you when you walk in. It's a small entryway that has a niche, where one can have some storage cabinet. We did a chest with similar high-gloss paint as the entry door to match the theme. Notice the top of the chest and the edges of the shutters are painted darker than the rest of the cabinets. We also included a large turquoise rug that brings in some blue tone that matches with the abstract painting, which are highlighted by the glass wall lamps. Right above the chest of drawers is a silver metallic mirror frame, which helps make the section, which otherwise has a small footprint, look bigger. A golden tabletop lamp makes the area look brighter, as does the golden metallic pendant light that one cannot possibly ignore. Moving into the living room, the owners needed the room where they could seat 7 to 8 people without making it look congested. So, we brought in customized sofas with woven upholstery by D-Decor. We added color to the room with the cushions. To cater to the big area, we have given 2 gold-based coffee tables with black marble top towards the entrance of the room and a round coffee table with high-gloss wooden top towards the other side of the living room. White wallpaper with pattern of leaves is used throughout. It adds elegance and some neutral tone to the room. The oversized rug again has shades of blue and yellow that matches well with the upholstery. To bring some life into the room, flowers are placed on the coffee tables and also on the small TV unit cabinet. The highlight of the TV wall is the black marble looking tiles used there. The rectangular, golden painted moldings match with the golden details all throughout the room. Moving on to the dining area, we have given dark bluish gray paneling on 2 opposite walls. Right above the wall, we have again used wallpaper with pattern of leaves. The 6-seater dining table with marble top along with the dual-tone chairs looks elegant. The golden chandelier above the dining table is the showstopper. Curtain matching with the upholstery and overall theme of the home is again by D-Decor. Thank you so much for joining us. The rest of the designs for the kitchen, master bedroom and the rest of the bedrooms will be uploaded soon. Please like, subscribe and share the video with those who are planning to renovate their homes. See you in the next one.